Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my favorite cup. If you've watched any of my other videos, you might have seen this in there because I use it so often. So this particular thing is my favorite when I'm in the car because this guy right here allows me to easily set it in my cup holder without it being too big, but I still have 40 ounces of water that can fit in here. The next thing I love, look at that. It's not coming off. This thing is so easy to hold on to. I absolutely love it. It's very easy to walk around with. It's very easy to hold it like this. You don't have to literally hold anywhere else on the bottle. This handle is perfect. And it also has a little ridge, as you can see, that perfectly gets around your fingers. Last thing I want to show you is look how big this straw is. The straw is bigger than my head, which means you do not have to refill this thing because you can easily reach the bottom of this with that straw. I love this color. I am a natural through and through girly. This is my absolute new favorite color. It's a durable powder coat, but it's also in like a neutral tan color. Absolutely love it.